In this video, I'll be showing you how to write LinkedIn posts with ChatGPT. Let's get started. I begin by pasting a prompt to train ChatGPT as my personal writing assistant, focusing on a conversational and human tone. The AI responds with a specific style guide that emphasizes strong hooks and short, readable paragraphs to keep the audience engaged. This setup ensures every post feels authentic rather than like a corporate announcement. Next, I ask it to draft a post about a professional achievement involving significant follower growth and engagement. The resulting post highlights the importance of steady consistency over viral luck and ends with a question to drive comments. It's a perfect example of how to share success while staying grounded and relatable. Now, I prompt the AI to share a practical lesson about why showing up daily is better for small businesses than chasing trends. ChatGPT creates a post explaining that building trust through familiarity is the real key to long-term growth. The output provides high-value advice while establishing me as an expert in my field. Finally, I request a comprehensive 5-post content plan to organize my strategy for the week. ChatGPT delivers a structured roadmap covering everything from practical tips to conversation starters. Each post is ready to be expanded, ensuring a consistent and professional feed without the daily guesswork. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.